When it comes to copywriting on social media, Copy.ai versus Jasper is a debate you've probably seen before. But which one actually works better? Stick around because by the end of this video, I'm going to break down the features, pricing, and performance of both, and you might be surprised by the conclusion I'm about to give you. Let's start with Copy.ai. On the surface, Copy.ai's AI-powered copywriting tools seem perfect for social media posts. It's got templates for everything from social media captions to product descriptions, and it's fast. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to get started, even if you're new to AI copywriting. But when it comes to quality, especially for social media, I found that Copy.ai can be hit or miss. Some outputs are impressive, while others need significant editing. Next thing, let's talk about Jasper. Jasper has been around a little longer, and it's widely known for its versatility and overall quality. It does a great job with long-form content, and social media posts are no exception. Jasper's content is generally more polished compared to Copy.ai, and it offers a lot of customization. You can tweak the tone of voice, length, and more. But, and here's the catch, it's also more expensive than Copy.ai. Now, let's compare performance. With Copy.ai, you get faster results, but like I said, sometimes the quality just isn't there. It's great for pumping out a lot of content quickly, but less reliable if you need precision for a brand's voice or message. Jasper, on the other hand, might take a little longer, but usually delivers a higher quality output. It's smarter, and that shows in how well it can handle more complex requests and generate copy that actually feels natural. The fourth thing we need to address is pricing. Copy.ai is definitely the more affordable option. Their plans start much lower than Jasper's, which makes it a good choice if you're on a budget or just need to generate social media copy fast. But the cheaper price comes with some limitations. Jasper's pricing might seem steep, but it's built for those who need more robust features, and if you're doing more than just quick posts on social media, the investment could be worth it. Next, let's talk about support. Copy.ai offers decent customer support, but it's not as comprehensive as Jasper's. Jasper gives you access to more resources, and its community is larger and more active. If you're someone who likes to dive deep into the AI copywriting process, Jasper's support and tutorials might be more beneficial. Copy.ai is more straightforward, but if you're stuck, you might find it harder to get the help you need. So, which one should you choose for social media copywriting? Well, if you're just getting started or need a tool that'll get you quick social media posts without breaking the bank, Copy.ai might be your best bet. However, if you're looking for quality, flexibility, and you're willing to invest a bit more, Jasper is the clear winner. Now, here's the thing. After trying both and looking at how they compare for social media copywriting, I actually found a better alternative. And if you're looking for a tool that not only handles social media copy with ease, but also delivers a far better user experience and value, then you need to check out the free trial in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So, while both Copy.ai and Jasper have their merits, if you're serious about producing high-quality social media copy, the software linked below is the one I recommend. Don't miss out. Try it for free today and see for yourself.